Gases. This is Carolyn with Greek Travel Bunnies, and we are exploring a park that is right across from our Hilton Lama Hotel here in Rome, and this is the most magical park I've ever been in. And to be honest, I don't even know the name of it yet. Look at this. This is awesome. How cool. I think this is Peter Pan Village coming up. And then there's a lake right across from here. People are rowing. Okay, I believe it's called Neverland. Here we go. Neverland. There's alligator there. Wow. How fun. Okay, this is the inside of the Peter Pan exhibit. Oh, that's so cool. And my husband Ari discovered these two little turtles that are just kind of resting here alongside the lake. Wow. Here's another area. Looks like it's closed, but looks like it would be really cool to visit. And here you can see these cute little swan paddle boats, some kind of boats. They look cool. Well, I guess this is called the Wonderland at Peter Pan Never Stop Dreaming, and it's not open today. But anyway, we got a glimpse of it, and it's pretty magical. So this is Greek Travel Bunnies, City. Have a nice trip.